Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your Bybit UID, which is also called your Bybit User ID. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Bybit app to open it. So guys, once your Bybit app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on exchange. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. Make sure it's selected. As you can see there, exchange is already selected. So the next step now you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see UID. You can see there at the top, just next to the profile icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see UID. So guys, now you can see that's my Bybit user ID. You can see the number right there. For you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see the copy icon. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully. But guys, in case you can't find this your UID right here, what you have to do now is to take the next step. What you have to do now is to tap on the profile icon. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the UID right here again. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now let me tap on it to copy it again. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully. So guys, now this is how you can actually copy your Bybit UID or your Bybit user ID. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.